In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the project tool in Fusion 360 to streamline your 3D modeling workflow. This tool is absolutely essential because it allows you to reference existing geometry from your 3D models directly into a new sketch, ensuring perfect alignment and parametric stability. If you have ever struggled to match up the dimensions of a new component with an existing part, the project tool is going to be your new best friend. Before we dive into the technical steps, if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 design guides. To get started, you first need to be in an active sketch environment. You can either open an existing sketch from your timeline or start a brand new one by clicking on Create Sketch and selecting a plane or a face of your model. Once you are inside the sketch mode, look at the top toolbar and click on the Create drop-down menu. From there, navigate down to Project or Include and then select Project. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by simply pressing the letter P on your keyboard. This will immediately open up the project dialog box on the right side of your interface. You will notice that you have a selection filter option, which allows you to choose between specific entities like edges and points or entire bodies. Now, go ahead and click the edges, faces, or specific sketch geometry you want to bring into your current sketch. You will see that as you click, the selected geometry appears in your sketch as distinct purple lines. This purple color is very important because it signifies that the geometry is projected and locked to the source object. Once you have selected everything you need, go ahead and click OK in the dialog box or simply press Enter. Now you have a perfectly aligned reference to work with. The most powerful aspect of this is that these projected lines stay linked to the original geometry. Because Fusion 360 is a parametric modeling tool, if you go back in your timeline and change the dimensions of the original model, these purple projected lines will update automatically in your new sketch. This saves you an incredible amount of time because you do not have to manually fix your sketches every time you make a design change. You can now use these purple lines as a base for extrusions, revolves, or as construction lines for further sketch details. It really is that simple to maintain design intent across multiple parts of your project. If this video helped you understand the project tool better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss our future CAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.